Welcome to another episode of Microwave Me. Today, I'm going to be doing Brussels sprouts. I'm going to microwave them for a few minutes to see if it's smart to do it or not, and I'm hoping they blow up like the chestnuts did. So I've pretty much done most of the produce section at this point in the first 4 seasons of my show, so I figure, why not finish it off? Hope 3 minutes is enough to blow up some Brussels sprouts. I was wrong, they didn't blow up like chestnuts. Seemed to be steaming and cooked pretty good. I'll take a closer look in a minute. So even though they didn't pop like the chestnuts I did way back in the beginning, I'm still gonna say this is a good idea. They're perfectly safe to microwave. From a culinary perspective, it might not be the best idea, but from a science experiment standpoint, whether or not you should try this at home, I don't see why not. It looks perfectly safe to me.